Hi friends, welcome to Series 3 Tech News. Today we are going to discuss about arrays. Why this particular arrays concept come into the picture is, let's say in our applications we wanted to do 20 number sum. That means they will be providing 20 numbers. We need to print sum of 20 numbers. So in that case, how we can write, like we will be creating 1 to 20 variables like A, B, C. Similarly, like let's say x is the 20th variable, and then whenever user enters first number, we need to assign that first number to A. Whenever user enters second number, we need to save it to the B. Whenever user enters third number, we need to save it to the C. Similarly, 20th number we need to save it to the X, saying consider 40. So see, like similar data type, if we want 20 variables, so we will be declaring these 20 variables. Let's say if our application requires 1000 variables of similar data type, what we are going to do, are we going to create 1000 variables like this? Like let's say it is 20 variables, so we have ABCDs, we can write let's say 1000 variables. How we are going to write? And application maintenance will be a very difficult part over here. So in that situations, this particular arrays concept came. Like what exactly it is? Arrays is a variable. It stores n number of values of similar data type. That means, let's say now this 20 numbers we want to declare. So instead of like this, we will be using arrays concept to perform that. The syntax for arrays is data type extra this array will come, and then variable name semicolon. This is the declaration. That means this square brackets tells this particular variable is a array variable. Here we can store n number of values. Say now I wanted to declare this 20 variables. How we can declare? Int array A. This is the array variable declaration. But I wanted to mention I need to store 20 numbers only. Then int array A equal to new int array of 20. Here I will be mentioning that I am gonna store 20 values in this particular A variable. Similarly, if I want to declare 1000 variables, int array B equal to new int of 1000. So with this B variable only, it is gonna create 1000 variable. How exactly it is? Consider this is a memory location. A equal to new int of 20. It will create one memory location, but how much size it should create? We know integer gonna store 4 bytes. Each integer gonna store 4 bytes. That means here 20 variables, 20 into 4, that equal to 80 bytes. So it will occupy 80 bytes of memory, and then it will differences with 4 bytes, so that it becomes 20 block, and we can retrieve the variables through the indexes. That indexes always starts with 0. That means if I want to store any value or get any value from the first variable, then we will be using A0, second value A1, third value A2, so on goes on. It will be like 19. The last index will be 19 because it started with 0. With 19 it will be 20 variables. So how we are gonna store a value in the 0th index? A of 0 equal to 10, A of 1 equal to 20, A of 2 equal to 30. So whatever we are doing here, we are doing here like this. Similarly, if you want B again integer with 1000 variables, so 1000 variables into each variable will occupy 4 bytes, that equal to 4000. So it will occupy 4000 bytes of memory here. This is 4000 bytes. The variable name for this block of memory, the name is B, and it segregates 4 byte each. If you want to access the first one, B0, second one B1, B2, B3, and goes on. It will be like since it is 1000, it will be 999 is the last index. So if we want to store B of 0 equal to 1, B of 1 equal to 2, B of 2 equal to 3, and goes on. Array is a variable. It stores n number of values of similar data types. So it should be same data type. It is gonna store same data type of 20 variables. Hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.